These troops are advancing towards Al Yarmouk camp into a battle that requires a lot of vigor and firepower. The regain of Al Yarmouk will essentially be a turning point for the Syrian government's efforts to secure the capital Damascus. The fight for the refugee camp is actually being carried out by the Palestinian Popular Committees with the support of Syrian military units.
As you know, armed groups entered Yarmouk camp 8 months ago and displaced over 200,000 people as part of their plan to enter Damascus. It turned out that they are thieves and they looted the camp. We tried to get them out using peaceful means, and now we have no other means but to forcefully liberate our camp, and we won't retreat.
The house-to-house fighting has changed the situation on the ground quickly. This post was controlled by Al-Nusra Front just minutes ago, and now it's manned by Palestinian fighters.
We are in Palestine Street heading toward Yarmouk Street. This building we are in is one of 7 buildings we took control after pushing militants back. They have fortified their post, but we will get to them.
The fight in Al Yarmouk is a very difficult battle for both parties. Palestinian Popular Committees are fighting to return to their houses, and the foreign-backed insurgents are fighting to maintain the closest point they ever got to Damascus city.
In the name of the Palestinian Popular Army, we initiated the battle to liberate Yarmouk camp. We are advancing slowly, though it's not easy.
Insurgents are burning houses as they retrieve to slow down the advancing Syrian military units, along with Palestinian volunteers. This barber shop is now the front line in the battle to regain control over Al Yarmouk camp. Everyone knows that this battle will be an easy one. Ala Ibrahim, Press TV, Al Yarmouk camp.